Hello, my awesome people. I am back again with another quick, awesome dinner. You're going to like it. It's a very quick family dinner. Under 15 minutes, you should be done with this. So, I'm going to show you step by step how to make this dinner recipe. The first thing we are going to need is our shrimp, rice, green peas, carrots, olive oil, soy sauce, seasoning, and salt to taste. So, I'm slicing my onions. So I already got my shrimp ready and seasoned. So I got my pan and I added some cooking oil. That's 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. Add some onions and saute it for 2 minutes. Then add your shrimp. You can stir fry your shrimp for 3 to 5 minutes to tender, but do not overcook your shrimp. So once our shrimp is ready, I'm going to put it aside. See, our shrimp is ready. Same pan to make the whole meal, okay? So we don't have time to waste pot or wash dishes. So I slice my onions, my green peas. I use a can of green peas and I use two got a can of peas. So whatever you have in your kitchen is gonna work. Just try to work something out. Okay, so I got my oil, my sesame oil in the pan. You can use olive oil, but in this case I use sesame oil, and I stir fry my vegetables. Added some pepper, salt, and some other seasoning. And I stir fry everything together. I mix all the ingredients together with my vegetables. And the next thing I'm going to do is add my shrimp. I added my shrimp and I stir it together with my vegetables. And remember, all this is done on a low heat. 6 or 7 should be fine. So I grab my rice, my boiled rice, and I put tender, okay, and set it aside as well. So I pour my rice and I added some soy sauce. I think I added 3 to 4 tablespoons of soy sauce. Then add pepper, add some more pepper, salt, herb, and any other seasoning you would like to add. Then mix everything together. Then I cover it for 2 to 3 minutes for all the ingredients to simmer together. And after that, this is what we got. Look at that. Isn't that delicious? Under 15 minutes, this recipe should be ready. So I hope you love this shrimp fried rice recipe. If you like it, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and also comment down below this video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.